How to fix TikTok no internet connection. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then here you will find all the application that you have on your phone, so you will search just for TikTok. When you found TikTok, just open it like this and go now directly to storage option, and then go to clear data, click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And what's next, it's going to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in other videos.